What up, pimps? What up, cools? What up, homies? We got some more cards to open today. We got some cards. We're gonna open the cards. Alright, here we go. Cards, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's open up some cards. I think there's only 3 boosters in here. Yeah, but that's okay. 5 cards per pack. Alright. Oops. Alright, we'll start off with Yugi. We'll end with the Neospatial. Because our heroes are cool. Alright. Oh! Elemental Hero Honest Neos. Contract with Don 1000. Dual Training. Battle Fader. And Dark Armed Dragon. A classic. Nice, nice. Alright, so there's pack 1. Pack 2, which is the 5D's Rose Dragon thing. Synchro thing. Alright, here we've got Clashing Souls. Dark Lord Ukabak. Chaos Scepter Blast. Infernity Launcher. And, oh my goodness, come on, Lord of Striking Thunder. Nice, nice. Heck yeah. Alright. And pack number 3. Pack number 3. Let's do it. Guard Penguin. White Veil. Clear Effector. Dandelion. And Plague Spreader Zombie. Not bad either. Not bad. Okay, good night.